The most important thing for good heeling is clear communication. You have to give the dog really good information, and you need to do that consistently. You need a clear physical and verbal cue for focal point, a different one for position, and a different one for engagement. And it has to be a cue that the dog understands. So when you're chaining, you're going to start with a few pieces of heeling, right? Enough to guarantee the dog will be correct. So if you're just teaching heeling, you may do forward, right turn. You may put together the forward and the right turn, or forward, right turn, slow. Okay? So if your dog tends to fall apart halfway through the heeling pattern, then do less than half to start. You're going to get the dog to the end of the chain. You're going to mark, and then you are going to praise like crazy. We always get less in the ring than we do in training. Okay, it's very rare that we get exactly the same thing. Possible, but not. The majority of the time you get a little bit less. So in training, I ask for more than I will need. I don't just ask for it. That's my expectation.
Close.
So now I like to do the right turn about turn so the dog's not confused between the two. So we do a right turn, yes, feed. Then we're going to do an about turn,
Close.
yes, feed.
Close.
All right, and the more I do that, the more her confidence goes up.